In this video, I'll talk about how you can cut price down to zero on Temu. Now this involves using cards, discount cards, or using freebies, or participating in games. But how this works is you need to get the Temu app, so don't do this on your PC, but do it on the phone. After that, what you want to do is in here, you can go to your app and go to free gift section, which can give you free gifts. Now you can also apply coupon and discount codes, and you can get these inside of the app, or if you subscribe to Temu email, usually they're going to send out discount codes and stuff. Or what you can do is referral to your friends. So head over and search for Temu referral, join the affiliate program in here, and this will basically let you invite with your codes right here. And whenever your friend signs up with this code and buys something, you'll get a big commission and some rewards. Now, another thing you can do is participate in games that Temu makes. So they'll make like in-app games where you can win items and stuff like this. So those are basically the ways that you can cut down the price to zero. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.